Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DocuSign for HubSpot deal close automation step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketplace section in the main navigation menu. In the Marketplace, select the Apps option. Search for DocuSign in the search bar. Locate the DocuSign integration and click on it. Press the Connect App button. You will be prompted to log in to your DocuSign account. Enter your DocuSign credentials and click Sign In. Now, navigate to your HubSpot Deals pipeline. Select the deal stage in which you want to use DocuSign. Click on Automation in the left sidebar. Then, choose Workflow. Create a new workflow or edit an existing one. Select the trigger for the workflow, like closing a deal. Add an action by clicking the plus button. Search for DocuSign in the action search bar. Choose the Send Envelope action. Configure the DocuSign envelope settings according to your needs. Include fields for signer information and documents that need to be signed. Save the envelope settings. Test the workflow to ensure everything operates smoothly. Once confirmed, activate the workflow. Your DocuSign integration for deal close automation in HubSpot is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.